Hi friends, good afternoon. My name is Achyut and I am from Vizag. So today in this class, I will explain how to assign multiple values to the multiple variables. So how to assign multiple values to the multiple variables in Python. So this is my idle and you can click on the file and you can open new file and you can save as documents Python programs and you can save as multiple send.py and click on save. So here you can write the code. How can I write the code? Like you have to write x is equal to y is equal to z equal to, so not like this, x comma y comma z equal to, you can write assign values like Iron Man and comma, and you can write captain, and you can write here Hulk. So this is how we can assign, like x value is Iron Man, y value is Captain, and z value is Hulk. So this is how we can assign multiple values to multiple variables. I hope you understand. So let us print this thing. So print x, and I will copy this thing, and I will use Control V to print again and again, and I will change the variable names. That's it. And press F5, it will save the file. Click on OK. Then you'll get the output. So this is how we can assign multiple values to the multiple variables. Now I'll comment this thing by using multi-line comments. So we have to use 3 double quotes to do the multi-line comments. And here we can assign. So what we have done here, so what we have done here, so we have learned about to assign multiple values to the multiple variables. So this is what we have done here. And now we will assign multiple variables to the single value. So how? So you have to write x is equal to y is equal to z is equal to underscore start. So this will give the same output for every variable. See, let us save this thing and see, we are getting the same thing. So I'm printing x, y, z, but I'm assigning multiple variables to the single value, So this is how we can assign multiple variables to the single value. And third one is unpacking. Third one is unpacking. Unpacking, assign. So how unpacking works, right? For example, you have given example maths is equal to or you can give fruits. You can give fruits. FRUITS, fruits is equal to open square brackets, and you can mention orange, apple, and strawberry. So we can assign orange, apple, strawberry like this, and you can. So here you can assign these values to the fruits. So what are fruits? Orange, apple, strawberry, right? So in that, orange will be assigned to the X, apple will be assigned to the Y, strawberry will be assigned to Z. See, I will print X, Y, Z. You will get the output. Press on F5, click on OK. So you got the apple, orange, apple, strawberry. Got the apple, orange, strawberry. So like it is a assigning all these values to the each variable, like each variable. So it's not assigning orange to the X, apple to the Y, strawberry to the Z. Like it's assigning all things to the each variable. X value will be all these things, and Y value will be all these things, and Z value will be all these things. So this is how unpacking assignment will be done using tuples or lists. So this is how we can assign multiple values to the multiple variables. So majorly we are having three types. We can assign multiple values to the multiple variables. We can assign multiple variables to the single value, and we can unpacking assignment will be done using tuples or lists. So that's it, friends. This is all about assigning. How can we do multiple assignment in Python? So if you think this video is helpful for you, please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification whenever I upload videos on the YouTube, or otherwise you'll not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.